Question 1. Can you share your thoughts on watching TV shows or online videos?
I really enjoy watching TV shows and online videos because they give me both relaxation and entertainment. For instance, when I watch a light comedy series, it helps me forget about the stress of my daily routine. On the other hand, documentaries or educational videos allow me to learn something new in an enjoyable way. I also find short online clips useful because they are quick and fit into my busy schedule. Overall, I think watching shows and videos is a nice balance between fun and learning.
Question 2. Interesting. Let me ask you another question. Describe your favorite type of show or movie.
My favorite type of show is a mystery or thriller series because I enjoy the suspense and unexpected twists. These kinds of programs keep me fully engaged, as I'm always trying to guess what will happen next. I also like that they usually have strong storylines and interesting characters, which makes them more memorable. When it comes to movies, I enjoy light comedies as well, because they help me relax and laugh after a stressful day. So overall, I prefer a mix of thrillers for excitement and comedies for relaxation.
Question 3. Interesting. I've got a different question. When do you usually prefer to watch television?
I usually prefer to watch television in the evening, after finishing my work or household responsibilities. It feels like the perfect way to unwind and relax. Sometimes I also enjoy watching something during dinner, especially news or a light comedy show, because it creates a calm atmosphere. On weekends, I might watch in the afternoon if I have free time, but mostly evenings suit me best. Watching TV at night helps me slow down after a busy day, and gives me something enjoyable before going to bed.
Thanks for discussing entertainment with me. Now I'd like to change topics and ask you a few questions about weather and seasons. What kind of weather do you enjoy the most?
My favorite kind of weather is mild and breezy, especially when the temperature is comfortable, around 22 to 25 degrees Celsius. I enjoy it because it feels refreshing without being too hot or too cold. The gentle wind makes it perfect for walking outside, exercising, or even just sitting in the garden with a book. I find that this type of weather lifts my mood and makes me more energetic. It also allows me to dress comfortably without worrying about carrying extra jackets or umbrellas.
Question. Thanks. I have another question. Which season of the year is your favorite, and why?
My favorite season is spring because it feels like everything comes back to life after winter. Flowers start blooming, trees turn green, and the air feels fresh and pleasant. I like spring because the temperature is neither too hot nor too cold, making it comfortable for outdoor activities like picnics or short trips. It's also the time when festivals and celebrations bring extra joy. For me, spring represents new beginnings and positive energy, so it's the season I always look forward to the most.
Thanks. Let me ask you another question. What activities do you enjoy doing when the weather is sunny?
On sunny days, I love spending time outdoors. I often go for a walk in the park or sit outside with a cup of tea and enjoy the brightness. Sometimes I take my family for a small outing, like visiting a garden or having a picnic. Sunny weather also motivates me to exercise more, such as jogging or cycling. It's the kind of weather that makes me feel active and cheerful. I also like taking photos on sunny days because the natural light is beautiful.
Thanks. I have another question. How does the weather affect the activities you choose to do?
The weather plays a big role in what activities I choose. For example, if it's hot and sunny, I prefer outdoor activities like walking, going to the park, or traveling. But when it's rainy or cold, I usually stay indoors and enjoy indoor hobbies like reading or watching a movie. Sometimes the weather can even affect my mood. Sunny days make me feel more energetic, while gloomy weather encourages me to slow down and relax. So I always plan my day depending on the weather outside.
Do you prefer spending time indoors or outdoors during your favorite season? Why?
During my favorite season, which is spring, I definitely prefer spending time outdoors. The weather is so pleasant that it feels like a waste to stay inside. I enjoy walking among blooming flowers, sitting in parks, or even just opening the windows to feel the fresh air. Outdoor activities like picnics, cycling, or short trips become much more enjoyable. Being outside in spring not only keeps me active but also lifts my mood. For me, this season is the perfect opportunity to connect with nature.